Hi friends! Today we are here and we are going to make our very own watercolors. Are you ready, Helen?
Yes!
Okay, I'm going to show you the ingredients first. Okay, our ingredients are baking soda and cornstarch and corn syrup and vinegar.
Yes.
Okay?
But it's going down.
It's okay. And you're going to need some food coloring or something like paint but food coloring is very easy to find.
Yes.
And you need something to put your paint in. So you can use a muffin tin, you can use an ice cube tray.
I want to use them.
Well, we're using an egg carton, an old egg carton. I just cut this egg carton in half.
Yes.
And I kind of like that one because it's clear. And you need a bowl to mix in. So are you ready, Helen?
I want it.
Okay, you ready to mix?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get a bowl.
You got a bowl ready.
Well, I'm going to get another one. All right, are you ready to start? Okay, ready? We're going to use this one. Okay, so to start, you are going to want to use your baking soda. And I just got this big bag of baking soda. Whoa! We are going to open it up.
It made my own
and you're going to need...
Mommy made my own special pants wet.
That's okay. It's okay if your pants get a little wet. So I want you to count, Helen, I want you to count 8 scoops of baking soda. Ready? Count 8. Ooh, not too big. 1. Make sure it's like flat on the top. There you go. 2. Okay. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. And 8. Excellent. Can close out my baking soda. And now here, let's just go tap, tap, tap.
I can tap.
Okay, tap, get the rest of that out of there. Now we're going to put 4 tablespoons of vinegar. And mix it. And we have to add the vinegar and wait for it to stop fizzing. So you ready to add the vinegar?
Yes.
Okay. 4 tablespoons. 1, pour that in there. 2, pour that in there. 3 and 4. Pour that in. And it's fizzing.
Whoa! I can't do it!
Whoa, it's fizzing. Okay, next we're going to add a full teaspoon of corn syrup. 1 teaspoon of corn syrup because we're going to need to use this spoon. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so hold that there. I'm going to pour it into the spoon and pour that into our mixture. All right, and our last ingredient is going to be 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay? Oops. So, you're going to use, here, let's leave this spoon in here because we'll use this when we need to mix. Okay?
I'm going to mix.
Wait, we're not ready yet. We have to put 4 tablespoons of cornstarch in.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, scoop 4. 1, 2, 3, and make the last one a small one because you put a lot in there. 4. Okay, now we're ready to mix. You ready? Start mixing, Helen. Mix it. Ooh, whoa! We made a little mess. All right, let's mix it gently. Ready? at school we have a song. Can I go first?
No,
And then I'll pass it to you?
No, I can go
Okay, Helen's going to go first. Ready? A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And pass it to Mommy. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. This is pretty sticky consistency.
Can I stick?
Right? I'm going to just try adding a little bit more tad of vinegar. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And pass it to Helen. Now your turn, Helen.
Okay.
And then it's going to be Mommy's turn again.
Okay.
A mix and a mix and a mix
Too
and a
hard.
mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And pass it to Mommy. And this is going to be the last time I mix it. And then we're going to start adding our color. Okay?
Yay! What is it?
A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And now it's ready. So it should be this kind of like, almost looks like glue. Like a glue-like
Stop it!
consistency.
Stop it!
You ready to make our colors?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spoonful. Here, let me tilt this down so that everybody can see. Okay. I'm going to take a spoonful and drip it.
Can I have it?
Sure, you want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, put one spoonful into each cup, and then we're going to choose our colors. And maybe we can do it together. Like I'll use this spoon, and you use that spoon, and then we will do it quickly. We want to make sure that we fill all of our,
Oops.
Let's hold it down on the table. Don't let it spill. We don't want to lose all of our watercolor base, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I won't go the last one.
Okay. Fill them all. And we have a little bit extra so we can just fill some that aren't as filled. All right, Helen, you ready to show everybody how we mix colors in?
Yes.
Okay. So,
We did it already.
yeah, I know. I'm just using the rest of it.
That's enough.
Okay. So, we have two different kinds of food coloring, but you can yellow. Okay. So let's start with yellow. Here, I'm going to take my food coloring out. And something that's fun about this is that you can also play with color mixing. Sometimes they have instructions on how to make different colors on the back. So we can do that. Okay. So let's start with, Helen wants yellow.
Yes, I want yellow.
So let's start with squeezing.
Can I?
Yeah, I'm just going to open it. Now, if you want a very dark yellow, put a lot. There we go. That's good. I would put like 5 to 10 drops of each, depending on how much color you want.
Okay.
And then you can use a little popsicle stick to mix it up. So mix it.
I can do it.
And then you might want to put a little more cornstarch in if it feels like it's very watery. If you're using a lot of the color, you might want to just put some extra cornstarch in and mix that all in.
It's not.
Can I have a turn?
Sure.
Okay. I'm just going to help mix the rest. Really get that in there. Okay.
Now it's my turn.
Okay, what color would you like to make next?
Green.
Green. Okay. Let's count 5 drops of green in this one.
I took it off.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay.
Now
Mix it up. Mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And pass it to Mommy.
Oops.
Whoopsies.
The red falls.
A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix.
I'm
Mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. Okay. Mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And now the color green is ready. All right. What color would you like to make next?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Let's put blue in this one.
Okay. I take the top off.
Excellent. Put it in this one. Ready? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Ready to mix?
I want to mix.
Okay, mix it up. Mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And pass it to Mommy. Mama's turn. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And now blue is ready. Okay, should we do red?
Yeah, I want red.
Okay. All right, remember, not too many drops.
Okay.
Okay? Let's just count 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now you can mix it.
I want to mix it.
A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And pass it to Mommy. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And pass it to Helen. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And now red looks ready. All right, now you can see, I'm just going to tilt this down a little bit so everybody can see the colors that we made. You can see with just about 5 to 10 drops, we made some pretty concentrated colors. So I'm going to show you one time how we mix a color, how we use this to make a different color, and then we'll let you play around on your own.
Okay.
All right, Helen?
Okay.
So what color would you like to make? Do you want to make, we can do orange, we can do purple.
Purple.
Purple? Okay.
Purple.
So this is the ingredient for purple. It says 3 red. Let's do it together. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have to be very careful.
Now purple.
Wait. And what do we mix with red to make purple? Red. That's right, red and blue.
Yeah.
So we need 2 drops of blue. Ready? 1, 2. That's it. We need to be very careful.
Now this.
Okay, now we mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. And pass it to Mommy. A mix and a mix and a mix. Well, it's kind of like a brownish purple.
It's
A mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. Our purple kind of turned gray, but that's okay. You know why I think it turned gray? I think we used this stick that we used in the green to make purple. So do you want to try a different one? You want to try to do orange?
Yeah.
Let's try to do orange. This is the ingredients for orange. Okay? It says 14 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just going to do 10 because it's a lot. You start mixing the yellow. And we're going to do 1 red. Boop. So a lot of yellow and a little bit of red. And mix and a mix and a mix and a mix. A mix and a
It's orange now.
Wow, that's a beautiful orange.
And we made light orange.
Well, yeah, that one's yellow, but it does look like a light orange because there's so much yellow in there. Beautiful. All right, friends, this is making your own watercolor. After you make these colors, you need to let them sit for about a day.